Hi, I'd like to talk to you about what it takes to get through this program. Your Body Never Lies encompasses a very wide range of topics, but the very first workshop, the Your Body Never Lies Playshop, which is also the Your Body Never Lies online Playshop here at YouTube, that does not take a whole lot to get through. It takes some perseverance and it takes some self-reflection and it takes time and a little bit of patience. We watch one video, you take it in, you see how it applies to your life, and once you feel that you got it, you move on to the next video. It's really that simple. All you have to do is watch the videos, take the information in, make sure you understand it, and see how it applies to your life. So, for example, one of the first videos is about judging, and the purpose of the video is to point out to you that you should not judge. So not judging really means allowing things to be the way they are, right? It means don't label things as good or bad. So there's a reason for that. And the reason for it is to set you up for future videos. If you listen to that video but then continue judging everything you see, you will not be able to move forward in the other videos. Because, well, for one, the person that we judge the most is ourselves. And if you're judging yourself while you're doing the workshop, you're going to have a really hard time. So, don't judge. So that's an example. Each video has its own piece of information that needs to be understood and embodied and tested before you move on to the next one. There's another video about breathing, and it's about breathing rhythms and how breathing rhythms affect our emotional state. You can't just hear that. You need to practice breathing in different rhythms to see how your emotional state is impacted. You need to really get the video and see that I'm not just making noise with my lips. Get the information before you move on. When you do that and you get to the end of the video series, I guarantee you, whatever guarantee is, this is free, so you don't get your money back. But, I've never heard of anybody getting through this information and actually embodying the material and not shifting their life in a tremendously profound and positive way. Life can be easy. It can be easier, and it can be fun. It does not have to be heavy. It does not have to be difficult. It can be a really amazing place. Earth can feel like heaven. It doesn't have to feel like Armageddon or hell or whatever it is you think you have going on. This place really is an amazing school, and it's an amazing, joyous place when you remove the filters that are currently making it appear non-optimal. So please find out what this is. Check out the workshop. See if it works for you. And if you have any questions, send me an email. Thank you very much.